How to purchase email-only hosting from within your domains.co.za account. Log in to your domains.co.za account. Click the Manage Services drop-down menu and select email-only hosting. Domains.co.za offers a variety of email-only hosting packages. Select the one that best suits your needs. Select the domain you'd like to use. Either choose a domain from your account, register a new one, transfer from another provider, or use an existing domain and update the name servers. Click the Proceed to Cart button and follow the easy checkout process. It's that easy.